Good afternoon, YouTube. Uncle Tony here. Today we're going to make an old Sicilian dish. It's an old Sicilian recipe from my great-great-grandparents to my grandparents to my mother and now to us. It's macaroni and cauliflower. It's cauliflower, onions, garlic, raisins, pignoli, olive oil, tomatoes, and anchovies. We gotta put a nice amount of olive oil because this dish called for a lot of olive oil. All out onion. 1 whole head of garlic. Hear that sizzle? In a few minutes, we're going to add flat anchovies and olive oil. Now we have 12 heads of cauliflower. That means 6 cans of anchovies. And believe me when I tell you, you could ask whoever I make this for, you don't taste the anchovies. It actually blends in with everything that's going to go in this. You'll see what I'm talking about in 2 minutes. 12 heads of cut cauliflower. Trust you me, it's going to melt to nothing. Oh boy, I could smell the deliciousness already. This is the only dish I like to use these Sclafani tomatoes, crushed tomatoes, because look at the ingredients. Just tomatoes and salt, nothing else. This is going to make it all beautiful pink. It's not red, it's going to be pink. That's enough. I like fresh ground pepper because you can taste the difference, believe it or not. Then we're going to add raisins. I'd say about, this is only a cup, I want to add another cup. I'd say at least 2 cups of each. Or to taste, if you like more, you put more. Doesn't matter. See, look how nice. Now we let this sit and cook at least 2 hours. Just remember, the longer this dish cooks, the better it tastes. And we'll see you in a little while.
2 hours later.
Ah, look at that. Now look, 4 pounds of pasta. And this dish calls for Perciatelli. Perciatelli, or you can use bucatini. See all the raisins, the pignolis. Everything's cooked all together. Look at that. Nice Sicilian dish. Whoa. Whoa. And there it is. Macaroni and cauliflower, a Sicilian dish. We're going to give it the Italian name too. But buon appetito, keep following us because we keep following you. This is going to melt enough.
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore. When the world seems to shine like you've had too much wine, that's amore. When the moon hits your eye like a